Paradise. All of us wish to experience it. But what if I told you that a resident from paradise is right here on earth? Meet the Indian paradise flycatcher, or as it is known in Hindi, Dudhraj. This beautiful bird was recognized as the state bird of Madhya Pradesh in November 2001 and has continued to enthrall birdwatchers and photographers in this state. One such intrepid photographer, Manish Shukla, pursuing his hobby of bird photography in the city of Bhopal, recently came across a pair of these flycatchers in the process of beginning their nesting. Taking the necessary precautions of using a camera with an optical zoom of 83x and constructing a hide using cloth while visiting the site every alternate day, he began documenting the amazing nesting cycle of the Indian paradise flycatcher. In his observations, he found that both the male, white and with a long tail, and the female, rufous orange and with a short tail, take turns incubating the eggs for a period of around 11 days. And then came that wondrous moment. Manish saw the chicks in the nest for the first time after a period of 20 days. The male and female took turns, working hard to get those moths, butterflies, dragonflies, and other small insects they could feed to their chicks. The chicks start transforming in front of Manish's eyes. At first, blind and featherless, and then they open their eyes to their parents and to the wilderness around them, slowly gaining confidence and even beginning to perch on the edge of the nest. And finally, taking those baby steps out into the world, much as his parents did before him, this chick begins his journey of life as an avian jewel of paradise.